Okay, hello guys. So quick tip about this reel, your ultralight reel or small reel, whatever. Okay, quick tip why our reel is making sounds. See, when you are fishing, so most common sound that you are hearing every time is this bearing, the bearing of this reel. This is the sound that are making sound on the reel. So that if you check your reel and open it, you can change this one, and the sound of this reel will be less again. Will be like brand new. Now I'm going to change this one later on. Okay, thank you.